Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to check our memory in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for our memory, we have to go to Settings, and we are looking for our here it is, Battery and Device Care. In here we have interesting information. For example, here's our memory. We have 8 gigabytes. Also, we can see storage here and battery, etc. We have a few more options here, but we are interested only in checking what we have for our memory in our model of a phone. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.